You all already know that the best books selling right now, whether on Etsy or Amazon, are children's coloring books. And the biggest problem most people run into is finding the right niche, a niche with low competition but high demand, so we can actually get a lot of sales in a short amount of time. And today, I solved that problem for you. In this video, I've prepared a list of the top 20 kids book niches for 2026. Niches that are already getting strong sales, have high demand, and still have low competition. I even organized everything for you inside a ranked table, step by step and in order. If you want me to send you this file, all you have to do is write a comment below. And make sure you watch this video until the end, because I promise you, you'll be able to create a professional coloring book with just one click. And not only that, we're also going to create the book cover in a super easy and professional way. And we'll even create a promotional video for the book as well. And the crazy part is, we're going to do all of this using one powerful all-in-one AI platform called Abacus.ai. This platform is honestly amazing. It has features I genuinely haven't seen together in any other AI platform before. When you first open it, you'll notice that the main interface looks like a normal AI chat, just like the chats we already use every day. But here's where things get really interesting. Whenever you ask it to do something, it automatically selects the best AI model for the task, completely on its own, especially when you choose Root LLM. I personally always leave it set to Root LLM, and then I simply talk to it normally while it intelligently picks the most suitable AI model in the background. For example, if we ask it to create a coloring book, it automatically uses one of the AI models specialized in generating coloring book pages. And if I ask it to build a mobile app, it instantly switches to the best programming models for coding and app development. Seriously, you are going to be blown away by the results we're about to create together. Now let's jump directly into the practical tutorial so you can really understand this amazing platform and see how much easier it's going to make the entire process for us. First, what I'm going to do is open the file, and we'll choose the coloring book that we're going to design together. For example, this Cozy Animal Homes coloring book for kids ages 3 to 7. It has high demand, low competition, and honestly, it's a perfect niche for us to create together right now. So all I have to do is go to Abacus.ai, and you'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the description. And then I'll simply ask it for exactly what I need. I'll tell it, I want 10 prompts for this coloring book in 8.5 by 11-inch dimensions. I want them to be suitable for 4-year-old children, and I want the pages to feel full and detailed. Then I'll leave the model set to Root LLM, so the platform can automatically choose the best AI model to respond to my request. And from here, you can also enable high effort, so the AI thinks more deeply about your message before generating the result. Also, if you already have some images that you want to include, you can upload them using this plus button right here. Then after that, I'll simply click this icon, and within seconds, you'll notice that it used GPT 5.3 to generate the prompts for me. And honestly, I personally think GPT 5.3 is one of the best models for writing prompts like these. But here's something really cool. You can regenerate the exact same prompts using different AI models. For example, if you want to recreate the same response using GPT 5.5, all you have to do is click right here, and within seconds, it will rewrite the prompts using the new model. This platform is seriously so complete. You almost don't need any other tool to create your books and videos anymore. And in this video, we're not stopping at just creating the coloring book and the cover. We're also going to create a promotional video using this incredibly powerful all-in-one platform. And even more than that, we can build mobile apps and desktop applications too, and you'll see that in just a little bit. Now, after we finish writing the prompts that we'll use to generate the coloring pages, the next step is very simple. For example, I'm going to copy the first prompt. Then I'll go back to the home page. But this time, From the top menu, I'm going to select Image. Then I'll paste the prompt right here. Now, pay close attention here because this part is important. Right here is the AI model selection. You can leave it on auto so the platform automatically chooses the best AI model, or you can manually choose whichever model you prefer. For example, when creating coloring book pages, I personally love using the Nano Banana Pro model, so that's the one I'm going to choose. Then right here, you can choose how many pages you want to generate. Let's create 2 pages together right now and see the results. And here, you can set the image dimensions. I personally always prefer a 3:4 ratio for coloring book pages. Then after that, for the quality setting, let's set it to 2K. And now, it's going to generate both pages for us at the same time. And in just a few seconds, we'll see the final result together. From the very first moment, I honestly love this platform because it's so complete, organized, and incredibly easy for all of us to use. And in less than 1 minute, it generated these 2 coloring pages for me. I'm seriously blown away right now. Now, to move on to the second page, all we have to do is go back to the chat, copy the second prompt for page number 2, and then return once again to the image generation section. And this time, let's try something different. Let's generate 2 pages again and compare the results together. We'll choose the correct size and then click Generate using GPT Image 2. Just look at how beautiful this second result is. Although, this time I accidentally selected the wrong dimensions. So normally, you would generate the same page again, but using the proper size settings. But honestly, I'm still really impressed with the quality. And again, using the exact same process, all we have to do is go back to the main chat, copy the prompt for the third page, then return to the image generation chat. This time, let's test Nano Banana 2. We'll choose the number of pages we want, then select the page dimensions, and after that, we simply wait for the amazing result we already know is coming. And that is the super easy method for creating these incredible coloring pages. Now let's go back to the main chat again, and this time I'm going to ask it something even more powerful. I'll tell it, can you generate 10 pages using the Nano Banana Pro model? And then we'll see how it responds. Now let's quickly jump back into the image generation chat, and you'll notice that it already created the pages for me. I am seriously amazed by this last page right here. This image was generated using Nano Banana 2. The level of detail is just incredible. I really hope you understood the core idea here because the process is actually very simple. We just copy the prompt, paste it right here, choose the AI model we want, then click Generate. And within seconds, it creates professional quality coloring pages with the exact level of detail you're seeing right now. But here's the really crazy part. Just like I promised you, we can actually create the entire book with a single click. If we go back to the main chat where I asked it to generate 10 pages all at once, you'll notice that it already started creating the pages one after another automatically in this incredible quality and in the exact 8.5 by 11 inch dimensions. Honestly, I'm blown away by the image quality. It can literally generate a full coloring book with one click. Just look at these 10 pages that I got from pressing a single button. This is honestly unbelievable. And by the way, you can edit any page you want. For example, this page right here doesn't really look perfect to me. So all I have to do is click on it, press the edit button, and type the exact changes I want. It will automatically use the Nano Banana model to modify the page for me. You can control absolutely everything you want. And honestly, I'm very sure this book could generate a lot of sales. Just look at the incredible artwork I'm getting without doing any complicated work at all, literally with a single click. Now, so we don't waste any time, let's move directly to the second step, which is creating the book cover. I'm going to tell it in the same chat that I want a professional prompt for creating a cover for this book. And within seconds, it gives me a ready-to-use cover prompt. Then all I have to do is copy the prompt, go back to the image generation chat, paste the prompt here, and choose the AI model I want. For example, this time I'm going to use Nano Banana 2, and instead of generating one image, I'm going to create 4 different cover options because I want to choose the absolute best cover for the book. Then after that, I simply click Generate. It usually takes a minute or two to create the covers, and just look at these results. I'm seriously amazed by how good these covers turned out. The cover looks absolutely fantastic. Personally, I love this result the most, so I'm going to download this image. And now, I want to create a mock-up for this book so I can promote it on social media. All I have to do is tell the AI that I want a spiral book mock-up for this cover, and within seconds, it generates a ready-made prompt specifically for creating the mock-up. So I'll copy the prompt, then go back to the image generation chat that I dedicated for creating images, because staying organized is very important. I'll paste the prompt here, then upload the cover image I created so the AI can use it while generating the mock-up image. After uploading the cover, I'll choose the AI model. This time, I'll keep Nano Banana selected, and I want the mock-up to use a 4:3 aspect ratio. Then I simply click Generate, and within seconds, it creates this amazing mock-up for me. I'm seriously impressed by the result. I actually like this version even more, so I'm going to download it as well. And now, just like I promised you, we're also going to create a promotional video for our product using this same platform. So I'll go back to the chat and ask it to create a short-form video prompt using the CDance 2 model, and I'll ask it to write a professional cinematic prompt for me. After that, all we need to do is copy the prompt, then return to the main interface. But this time, from the top menu, we'll select the video section. I'll paste the prompt here, then upload the mock-up image along with a few interior pages from the book so the AI can use them while creating the video. We'll wait a few moments for the images to finish uploading, and then, my friend, you simply choose the AI model you want for generating the video. Of course, I'm going to choose the CDance 2 model because it's one of the best AI video models right now. Then after that, you choose the video duration. Let's make it around 8 seconds. And for the video quality, of course, I'll set it to 1080p. You'll also choose the video dimensions. We want this video to be in shorts format so it has a better chance of going viral on social media. Then finally, we click Generate Video, and after just a few seconds, look at the quality of this video. I am honestly blown away by the final result. Just like I told you from the beginning, this platform is truly an all-in-one solution. We created an entire coloring book with a single click. We created the book cover. We even created a professional mock-up for the cover. And honestly, everything turned out amazing, exactly as you saw. And of course, we didn't forget to create a promotional video as well. But let me tell you something even more powerful, my friend. With this same platform, you can also create mobile apps and desktop applications with just one click. You simply explain your idea, and the AI handles the execution for you, generating the prompts, the structure, and basically everything you need. This is what makes the platform so incredibly powerful. You'll find the website link in the description below the video. And trust me, it has many more features that we didn't even cover today. I'm actually very sure we'll make another video about it soon, especially for creating useful apps that can help us in our journey of selling digital products on Etsy and Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.